My name is Rebecca Horgan, and I work with my father and my grandparents and my brothers at Shady Acres Farm, the Manning Farm in Swanton. It's been a really nice way to grow up with all of your family around all the time. I see my grandparents every day here, and my brothers and my father. You do feel a responsibility to keep it going because my father's been able to do it, and my grandparents and my great-grandparents, and you don't want to be the generation that lets all that go, even though it may not be through any fault of your own. If you lose the local farms, then you're going to lose the local product, and if that were lost, it would be the essence of Vermont and New England that would be gone. My husband and I are thinking about starting a family, and it's a lifestyle that you want to be able to offer your children and to be able to spend as much time with them as our parents spent with us, and a lot of people don't have now. It's hard work, it's everyday work, it's work on Christmas and Easter and Thanksgiving and your birthday, but it's fun work. It's fun to be able to work with your family every day, but it's really nice to be able to see what you accomplished the day before and to know what you need to accomplish the next day and to see that happen.